They say the early bird gets the worm, but who's to say there are any worms? History favors those who create their own worms, their own opportunity. And by living in the now, seizing the moment, and standing face to face with